Good morning, y'all. So I am going to do a quick video on how to get into Zoom since I know a lot of us got down the Google Classroom, but just in case this week you need help with any of your assignments, you can get on Zoom and ask any of us a question. So here in Google Classroom, we have our Zoom IDs up here, but we also went ahead and put them under classwork. It has our Zoom meetings links and schedules, okay? And then you just have to click copy our link like so, and then you'll go from there. But for some of you who haven't gone onto Zoom yet, I'm going to show you how to log in so that you're quickly able to get on and ask us a question. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Zoom, or you're going to type in zoom.us, okay? Over here, it should have a sign up, it's free. So you're going to click on that. And then down here where it says sign in with Google, that's what you want to click. Okay, and then I already have mine, but what you're going to do is you're going to type in your Google Classroom information. So your 5-digit number at students.siisd.org. And then your password can be your long birthday. That way it's all the same when you log in, so it's pretty easy. So once you get here, you're just going to click join a meeting, okay? And then that's all you would have to do is go back, copy this pin, and then click it and paste it in there, okay? And then you'll press join. Or if you want to, you can just type in that code right there, 549119538. And if we are on, it'll pop up on our screen and it will say so-and-so has joined or has tried to join your meeting, okay? If you need help, please email me, dojo me, and I will try to get you in.